For years, I have been helping travelers discover Sapa, but this time I wanted to become the traveler myself. Tonight, I'm exploring one of China's most famous night districts, Chongqing, and I'm curious what makes millions of people fall in love with this city after dark. Hi everybody, it is Nga Travel Vlog from Chongqing, China, and today I'll be walking around the walking street. We're gonna go to Hongya Cave. It is so crowded here. There are thousands of people. And there are police patrolling the road and things like that. I see only young people here. So it is nothing familiar to back home to the mountainsides. As a local guide, I'm always paying attention on how people experience a place, where they stop, what they photograph, what makes them smile. So we are carrying on to Hongya Cave. So we gotta go down to the road down there and turn on the right. Walking through these streets, I couldn't help slowing down. Every corner felt alive. Musicians, food stalls, families, and travelers from all over China. As a local guide in Sapa, I'm used to watching how people experience a destination, and here I noticed something interesting. Nobody seemed to be hurried. People were simply enjoying the atmosphere, taking photos, trying local food, and soaking in the city after dark. Then I reached the edge of the street. And down there is the Hongya Cave. I mentioned earlier, so you gotta go down the ground floor. I think every famous place has something people come to see, but what makes them stay is the feeling. Looking around tonight, I wasn't the only one standing still. Hundreds of people were doing exactly the same thing, simply taking in the view. Before this trip, Chongqing was just another name on the map. Another place I'd seen in photos. But that's the funny thing about travel. Places stop being pictures the moment you experience them yourself. During the day, Chongqing is impressive, but at night, the city seems to transform into something completely different. The reflections on the river, the boats passing by, and the lights covering the hillside somehow make everything feel almost unreal. As a local guide in Sapa, I often tell visitors that the places they remember most aren't always the biggest landmarks. They are the moments that makes them stop, look around, and quietly smile. Tonight, Chongqing gave me one of those moments. After walking for hours, we ended up the night with a simple dessert. Sometimes that is all a journey needs. A beautiful place, good food, and memories you probably think about long after you have gone home. I'll definitely remember this night in Chongqing.